Open the package and take out the tent and accessories bag.
The accessories bag contains
a shoe bag, a manual pump, 4 long webbing straps, a repair tool kit, product instructions, and a ladder. Untie the tent straps and flatten the tent. When using a manual pump, first connect the inflation tube to the pump.
Use the combined air nozzle number 1 to inflate the air mattress.
Find the air mattress air inlet valve and open the zipper. Press the valve down and turn it counterclockwise. After connecting the air nozzle to the inlet valve, rotate it clockwise. Inflate air mattress to 12 psi. You can also use an electric air pump to inflate the air mattress. The connection method is the same as above. Lift the tent onto the roof of the car and ensure it is in the center position. Pull out the webbing from the inner side pocket and secure it to the luggage rack and tighten the buckle. Tuck excess webbing back into the inner pocket. Open the ladder and extend it to the appropriate height. Use webbing to connect and secure the ladder to the air mattress. Tighten the buckle. Install the shoe bag for later use. Unzip the travel cover. Unscrew the air column air inlet and use the number 3 air nozzle to connect. After connecting, rotate clockwise to fix. Inflate the air column to 8 psi. Electric air pumps can also be used. After inflation, tighten the air column inlet valve. Complete the island of fish installation.